is glitter, acrylic glitter paint. I'm just going to sponge this onto my paper, and this is the stencil that I've got, which hopefully will leave some lovely shapes. See the lovely shapes that it's left, so gonna let that dry. Some gold ink and a nibbed pen, and I'm just going to add some shapes onto the page. Pen. I'm just going to outline some of these gold ink marks just to give the gold a bit of a lift. Outline the border. And then you can see a beautiful stencil watercolour enhanced by ink watercolour abstract. Okay, hope you've enjoyed that. Please leave comments, that would be great. Okay, see you soon. Bye.